Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold thongs and women's panties in general. So after a lot of experimenting, I have come up with a perfect way to fold these pesky little things. So let's do it with one string and one thong as well. Start out by placing the thong with the thinnest side facing up, like so. Okay, so here is the thing. We're gonna split it into 6 parts instead of 3 parts like we usually do. So folding it in 1/6 of the way on one side and 1/6 of the way on the other side as well. Now, from here, probably realize that I'm gonna fold it over one more time on each side. So the last fold here is gonna overlap the previous one, like this. And what happens now is that we have a nice even line going down here, and we also have some structure here in the top. From here, I'm gonna just fold this bottom part up once, and I'm gonna flip the part with the waistband up. So you see here at the very back, there is one opening here. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna take this, the fold at the back here, and I'm gonna stuff it inside here. This may take some practice, especially on thongs. I'm gonna show you how to do it on thongs as well. So like this, and you can just stuff it in here. And this is perfect, you know, you can use this, it's probably the most basic way to do it, but it also is a fantastic way because this is gonna stand on its own. Voila, beautiful, right? So let's do it one more time on a piece of, well, this shout out to the big ladies here in the audience. And yeah, this was the cheapest one they had online. So let's start out again by splitting it into 6 parts. Let me turn it around here with the thinnest side facing up. And we're going to split it into 6 parts again. So if you have really stringy G-strings here, this is also going to work. It's going to require a little bit more practice and maybe a little bit more patience. But yeah, try it out. So folding it over once, and then one time on this side and once on the other side. These are very big, so I think I'm going to fold it in thirds instead of just fold it up in half. So fold it 1/3 of the way, 1/3 of the way like this. And again, I'm going to flip this open up and find the one in the very back here. And again, we're stuffing it inside like so. As you can see, it works fine for these ones as well. These have a lot of like little embroideries, so you want to be very gentle with it so you don't rip anything. And obviously, you can place this inside your bras as well. So we're just gonna fold the bra quickly here. I'm gonna do another video right after this about bras that you can check out if you want to as well. But for now, putting one of these inside here is perfectly fine, and then you should be able to stack it in your system. So I'm gonna move on to do one more video here for bras. So if you're interested in that, you can tap here. You can tap that. All right, see you over there.